The Deschutes County District Attorney answered some questions today about community safety after a traffic stop on Highway 97 north of Bend led to the seizure of suspected fentanyl and other drugs. The suspect was released from jail in an hour. Bola Badabo got reaction from the DA.
District Attorney Steve Gunnell says the entire bail process changed when a new law went into effect in July.
If a crime such as this had occurred prior to July 1st, the individual would have to post $500,000 security to be released prior to seeing a judge.
A recent case prompts community concern. Last Thursday, Oregon State Police made a traffic stop on Highway 97 North after noticing signs of criminal activity. OSP say a drug detection dog helped find about 15 pounds of hidden methamphetamine and powder fentanyl, leading to the arrest of a California woman. But just an hour later, she was released. With Senate Bill 48, a suspect can be released before their trial date based on their danger level to society. The bill completely eliminates the previous bail system.
It eliminated what they call cash bail, so that whether somebody is rich or poor, they're on essentially the same footing, and they can be released without having to post bail.
If a person is deemed a danger to society, bail can be required. So what qualifies as dangerous?
If somebody's arrested for a serious assault, attempted murder, sexual abuse, crimes like that, they would be held until they saw a judge.
Although Gunnell believes a serious drug offense is very dangerous, Senate Bill 48, which went into effect July 1st of last year, prevents those holds.
That is no longer the law, and so the jail doesn't have a choice.
Do you believe the bill improves community safety?
Obviously, in a case like this, it does not improve community safety. Fentanyl is extraordinarily dangerous, and somebody who's bringing that kind of quantity of fentanyl into our community should be held.
Gunnell says in a case like this, the person will have to come back to the court, and the judge decides whether they'll be held on bail or released. There are exceptions to the new law, including the severity of any prior convictions or a failure to appear in court on past charges. Bola Badabo, News Channel 21.